Okay, this is the Unit 5 Sound Spelling Cards review. When we do the sound spelling cards, we're trying to make a connection between the sounds that letters can make and the letters used to spell those sounds. Remember, we have 26 letters that we could write in the English language, but they make over 45 sounds when in different combinations. Let's get started. A, apple, A. B, bicycle, B. C, canoe, K. And that's spelled with C, short vowel CK, and K. D, dolphin, D, and ED. E, egg, E, can be spelled E or EA. F, fossil, F. F and PH can both make the F sound. G, gorilla, G. H, horse, H, the letter H. I, inch, I, it's a short vowel. J, jump, the J sound for jump can be spelled J, short vowel DGE, GE, or GI. When it comes in front of an E, I, or Y, it's going to make the J sound. The next one, K, karate, K. K, C, or CK. You might notice that's the exact same thing as the C card. L, lemon, L, spelled L or ending LE. M, map, the letter M. N, nest, N, can be spelled with the letter N, KN, or GN. O, octopus, Ah, the letter O, the short vowel, the short sound. P, puma, P, the letter P. Q, quilt, QU, almost always has the U with it. R, rabbit, R, the letter R, and WR. S, sun, S, spelled with S, CE, CI, and CY would make the S sound. This is the T sound, T, tomato, T, and ending ED. U, umbrella, the letter U. V, van, V. W, wallaby. X, box, short vowel, X. That's almost always after a short vowel. And Y, yo-yo, Y. Z, zipper, Z, spelled with Z, short vowel, ZZ. And also at the end of a word S can also make the Z sound. Here are our short vowels. A, apple, E, egg, I, inch, A, octopus, umbrella, the short vowels. Here are our long vowels. Long vowels say their name. So this is long A, train, E, leaf. Notice all the different ways that they can be spelled. I, pie, O, boat, and U, like menu. Also, vowels can make their schwa sound or like carrot. In this unit, we focused on long O, spelled O consonant E, and like rope. And we focused on the long A sound, spelled A consonant E like gate. And also the soft C and soft G like celery or giraffe. Great job practicing. You did it.